What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video today. Thank y'all for tuning in. It's your boy Justin back with another video, man. Today I got some more heat for y'all. Tell you, I'm dropping these heats all week. I'm telling y'all. So if you're new to the channel, man, please hit the subscribe button, smash the like button for me, hit the notification bell. Upload every week, sneaker, clothing reviews, vlogs, all this. If you want to stay tuned, you want to join the fam, please subscribe to the channel and come on, join the fam. But today I got a special upload for you. When y'all see, because you seen the title and the thumbnail, but when you see this box, you gonna know it's some. We'll be reviewing the Jordan 3 Fire Reds. Check that out. Can't go wrong with them, can't go wrong with them. These are set to release September 10th for 210. Now, these right here are dope, man. I love how they just bringing back the OG style of the Jordan 3 Fire Reds with the, come on now, the Nike Air logo on the back of it. Come on now, the white, red elephant print on the toe heel right here and the toe back right here. Come on now, y'all. Y'all can't go wrong with the Jordan 3 Fire Reds, man. This right here, I feel like this shoe should have came out really in the summer, man, because I feel like this is definitely a summer shoe, but it's definitely a dope shoe that you gotta have in your collection, y'all. But like I said, I'm gonna describe the little materials of it, you know, the details like that, but I'm gonna go over the basic materials of it and all that for y'all. And of course, y'all know at the end of the video, I'm gonna style these. This is mostly what I do, is throw on the outfit and how to style these shoes. Love sneakers, but I definitely show you how to style them. So I'm gonna go over the material of these shoes, man, and I'm gonna drop the links to where you can cop them from. Even if you want them early, you might spend a little penny, but I'm gonna definitely drop the links and stuff in the description below. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, share the video, comment below what y'all think about the outfits, and what video or shoes y'all want me to do next. Y'all comment below. But let's go ahead and jump into it. So we're gonna jump into the box. Of course, coming the normal Jordan 3 box, you know what I'm saying? I see the elephant print material on the bottom of it, man. The Jordan on the top, black elephant print normal box. I got a size 10.5 in these, as y'all can see. 10.5. And let's jump into it, man. So we take out the box. It do come in this Jordan 3. You see it come with the description of the shoe, from the upper of the shoe, the sock liner, heel, air sole unit, forefoot air sole unit, just the breakdown of the whole shoe, just at the bottom of the shoe, man. Y'all know Jordan, when he wear these, man, he was taking flight, really in all his shoes, but definitely these, man, do come with this, pretty dope. So, and of course we got the elephant print paper, y'all can see, so we're gonna dive right into it. Now it do come with the Jordan, the Nike tag, little paper tag right here, man. Nothing too special, but as y'all can see, man, this shoe right here is dope. Check it out, elephant print on the top cap of the shoe right there, also on the bottom back. The Nike Air on the back of the shoe, as y'all can see, man. The red right here on the bottom, kind of midsole right here. So we do have the Jordan symbol on the tongue, as y'all can see. Inside we do have the Nike Air in there. Also the red inside the shoe, which is pretty dope. I hope y'all can see that. And we got the Nike Air, check the bottom, Nike Air on the bottom of the shoe, man. The gray on the bottom also. This overall shoe, man, is dope, man. I know this shoe is definitely gonna sell out like crazy. Jordan 3s is like starting to become my favorite shoe. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, just cause not only they dope, but they also comfort, man. Love these shoes, man. But I need to get some more 3s in my collection. I do have the laser 3s right here, and these are pretty dope, man. Now I have the Fire Reds, you know, so both of these are pretty dope, man. I definitely recommend to get you some Jordan 3s because you just can't go wrong with them, especially in the summer. To me, I love wearing my 3s in the summer. Oh, I didn't mention I do that. I do have the Desert Eagle also, but as you can see, these right here, you know, I love how they brought back the Nike Air on the back of the shoe, man. Look at that. I love that they did that, man, because you know usually they do just like a Desert Eagle and a Laser 3s. They have this, you know, the Jordan, this Jordan Air on the back of the shoe. So this is pretty dope, man. I know these are gonna sell out like crazy. I know for a fact. Like I said, I'm gonna be dropping like the links where you can get them from. These are definitely gonna sell out. Like I said, these are released, set to release in September 10th for 210. So definitely try to get your hands on these, man. These are super dope. And I want to thank y'all for viewing this. About to try these outfits on for y'all, man. Y'all leave me in the comment section what y'all think of the outfits with the Jordan 3.5 reds. Y'all just let me know in the comments. Thank y'all for viewing. Thank y'all for sharing the video, liking. Thank y'all. See y'all next video. Video dropping every week. Peace.
Tori on the beat.